Hello class, in this video we shall be discussing on few topics of chapter 1. The name of the chapter is chemical reactions and equations. So moving on to the first topic, that is a chemical reaction. Okay, we have already known, or we might have already studied about the physical changes and chemical changes in matter. Okay, so under the chemical changes, in order to find out whether chemical reaction is taking place or not, we can figure out by the following points. Okay, the first one may be change in state, okay, say from solid to liquid, liquid to gas, and so on. Okay, so if there is any change in the state, then we say that that particular chemical reaction, that particular substance is undergoing chemical reactions. Okay, then the next one is the change in color. If there is a change in color, then we say it is a chemical reaction taking place, or evolution of gas, or change in temperature. Okay, I hope you understand what is meant by evolution of gas and the change in temperature. The next topic is chemical equation. So chemical equation basically means to write in the short form, okay, for any chemical reactions taking place. Now in this video you can see the example, that is of the magnesium and oxygen reacting with each other to give magnesium oxide. So what we do is magnesium and oxygen on the left side, they react with each other, so just showing with the plus symbol, it gives, okay, so arrow sign and magnesium oxide. Now if we have to represent in terms of symbol, okay, this is the actual way, okay, that is chemical equation. This is the word equation, this is the chemical equation. That is for Mg, for magnesium it is Mg, for oxygen it is O2, okay, this is oxygen molecule, and magnesium oxide is MgO. Okay, here we don't write O2, okay, that the reason I shall tell you maybe in another video. It is from the idea of valency and valence electrons, so from there it comes. So I'll tell you in the other video, like why we don't use that 2. Okay, now whatever written on the left side are called the reactants, whatever on the right side are written, they are called the product. Okay, so I hope you are clear with this chemical equation. Now we shall move to the next topic, that is chemical balancing. Okay, balancing the chemical equations. Balanced chemical equation. Here we are balancing the chemical equation where the number of atoms present on the reactant side should be equal to the number of atoms present on the product side. Okay, so let us take this example, that is Mg and O2 gives MgO. Okay, here number of Mg is 1. Okay, say on the reactant side, Mg is 1 and oxygen is 2, and on the product side Mg is 1 and O is also only 1. So here Mg is balanced, but O2 is not O is not balanced. Okay, so in order to make it balanced, we have to multiply by 2 on the right side, yes or no? So when we multiply 2, we don't multiply here or we don't multiply here. Okay, if this is a molecule, then we have to multiply it here. Okay, so see now what happens, there is a change, then 2 into Mg, so Mg is also 2, 2 into O, so oxygen is also 2. Okay, so this side now done, but now again there is an imbalance. See, oxygen it's okay, but Mg is again not balanced, so that means we have to multiply, or we have to balance this side, okay, the reactant side. So if we multiply by 2, then it will become 2. Now both side it is balanced. So this is how we balance the chemical equation. Okay, let us take another example, that is Fe plus H2O gives Fe3O4 plus H2. Okay, in my another video I will be explaining you, okay, how to take H2O, why not H and O. Okay, I will be explaining to you how we are able to take, or how will we know that the molecular formula should be like this. Okay, so now in the reactant side we write the number of atoms, what are the different atoms present. Okay, iron, what, hydrogen and oxygen. This side, product side, it is Fe, H, okay, and O. Okay, now let us count. Left side Fe is only 1, right side Fe is 3, okay, and hydrogen is 2, this side also hydrogen is 2, oxygen is 1, this side oxygen is 4, okay, 4 oxygen. So here, as you can see, it is short by 3, is no, so we multiply by 3 and this one becomes 3, okay. Then again 2 is balanced, okay, no problem. But here oxygen is 4, here oxygen is only 1, so what we do, we multiply by 4, okay. So 4 1 are 4, and hydrogen also will be affected, because along with oxygen hydrogen is also there, that's why there will be a change in hydrogen as well. So 4 2 are 8 hydrogens are there. So as you can see, Fe and O are same, balanced, okay, but H is changed again. So therefore what you do, we have to make it 8. So in order to make it 8, I multiply by 4, so 4 2 are 8, and that way it is balanced. So this is the required, okay, required equation or balanced chemical equation. Okay, now I want you to try out, okay, some other examples. Let us see. Okay, Zn plus H2SO4 gives ZnSO4 plus H2. You try out these 3 questions. Okay, not only this, from your exercise textbook you try to solve the other questions as well. Okay, and if you have any doubt you can just ask me. Okay.